Alright, so here we have a 2009 Carrier Comfort heat pump that I just caught starting up and running. Jet check fan motor and Copeland scroll. 2009 3-ton, or wait, actually no, that's a 5-ton. Or yeah, I think so. And 3-ton or 5-ton? I think it's a 5-ton. 5-ton, yeah. So yeah, got this one starting up, and this thing just turned back on. I have a video of this thing malfunctioning, so I'll post that later. But yeah, I just got this thing starting up. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.